run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red
Welcome back to Horsepower Warehouse. My name is Junior, and for our next car review, or should I say truck review, I picked out something super special out of the warehouse. 1957 GMC Napco 4x4. And if you guys don't understand right off the bat what a Napco is, don't feel bad. I didn't know too much about them either until I educated myself, and I'll tell you guys all about it. So let me go ahead and shut this thing off, and I'll jump out and walk you around the truck first and foremost. As you can see with this particular example, bright blue paint, super metallic, little bit of pearl in there. Obviously this is a modern base clear paint job and it looks fantastic on the truck. As we walk around here, wheels have been painted to match. This has the Napco package on it. If you're not familiar with the Napco, it is a package that was available to GMC, Chevrolet, Studebaker trucks starting in the early 1940s. You could purchase a truck for somewhere, let's say in the early 1950s for an example. You could buy a truck like this for $1,500 and buy the Napco package. The two-wheel drive truck is $1,500 and the Napco package was another $1,500. So what you would do is buy the truck, get the 1,400-pound Napco package. It came in a big crate, and essentially what it did was lift up the truck and put what's called their Power Pack package on it. So this is a complete four-wheel drive setup with the lifted springs, everything needed to basically turn your two-wheel drive truck into the Power Pack. So this was, in its day, the first factory available lift kit. The guys that love the rough country kits, this is its ancestor. This is the grandfather. That's what makes these trucks so special. Now 1957, this particular truck was the first year that it was available factory installed through Chevrolet, and as a result in 57 it went from a $3,000 total package to a $2,500 package. Unfortunately, the factory installed Napco kits did not last long, because shortly after this truck came out and was produced and offered, they changed the suspension and the drivetrain on the four-wheel drive to not be able to accommodate the Power Pack system. So it kind of fell off the face of the earth, so to speak, after the 1960s mark or so. But as a result, we have a ultra rare, super cool truck here. I'll go ahead and pop the hood and let you guys take a look underneath here. And I'll grab the camera since I'm a little bit taller. So you'll see a lot of appropriate stuff for this truck in addition to some newer things. So we have a modern AC system down here. You can see a Sandin 134A compressor. However, we have a generator up top. That's super cool. Everything is brand new looking. Let me get in real close and show you guys. Everything on this truck has been gone through to immense detail. It looks fantastic. It really does look great. Looks like we also have a modern Holley carburetor tucked up under there. The correct engine for the truck that it would have had, 347 cubic inch V8. I like how it's got those cool exhaust manifolds that kick out from the front there, and then the exhaust actually comes back. Very, very cool. Look at the chrome on the front of this truck, guys. This Napco 4x4 is super awesome. I'll pass the camera back here and I'll show you guys the interior. Super tight. Everything's beautiful inside. Modern odometer gauges in the factory uncut dash. It's got a classic auto radio in it, so it looks factory, but it's got all modern internals. Everything on the interior has been done. Every single screw, every piece of hardware has been completely polished. All the chrome's been redone. All the vinyl is correct for the truck, and it's all brand new. This thing smells like I would expect it to smell brand new in 1957, and cosmetically it's just absolutely perfect. So with that being said, guys, I think it's time for us to hop in and take a quick cruise. Third gear. Super, super difficult to find the gears. As you can hear that I kind of got a little bit of a grind going in the first, or in the third. Let's second, come back to first again. There we go. Modern transmissions have synchros that are super easy to match together. Not on this one, guys. This is a true 1957 GMC truck. Let's see if I can get a little smoother this time now that I know where to look for it. There it is. No grinding at all. I'm not used to that far of a throw over. Third gear in this truck is where you would think fifth gear would be in a modern vehicle. But otherwise, no complaints whatsoever in driving this truck around. It feels like it has a 24-inch lift on it, and it's got these big old knobby tires on it. So it's got a lot of sway, and it's not the smoothest thing out there. But I can highly appreciate this truck for what it is. 1957, this was the bee's knees. Cruising around, we're at 20 mile an hour. Let's go into fourth. 30. The brakes are still seating in. The engine's all brand new and fresh, as is the transmission, so it's not completely tuned and dialed and gone through yet. It's still got some quirks to be run out of it, but let's downshift in a second. Let's try that third gear again. There it is. Way over. Way over. But once you know where to look for it, guys, you could drive this without looking like an idiot, like I did. But I really like it. The question to be asked with something like this is it too beautiful to be used off-road? Honestly, guys, this thing being a Napco package, I would have to. I'd have to bring it off-road. I wouldn't give it the trail stripes down the side or anything like that, but I would absolutely have to get this thing into the dirt. Well, I hope you guys like this one as much as the other ones. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, please feel free to let me know below. Also, if you like my reviews, please subscribe. That's the only way that I can continue to keep doing this, and that's a way of letting me know that I'm even doing something that's worth watching. So let me know below, and take care, guys. I'm gonna try to edit out that. Jeez, these brakes too. Tried to make it. Did I look like an idiot pulling up? Like. Yeah, just try to get it that way. It looks like you're not pointing at me at all. There you go. There's too much him in there. Just try and sit back there.